We cut down the tree, and now got the solar up. And we're now just about to put some finishing touches on these windows. All right, Tony, what's step one? What are we doing here?
Right now we're going to clean these windows, prep them for the window tint. So you can't have any contamination in these things, otherwise they'll show. Can't have any dirt or anything like that.
So what are you doing right now?
Right now we're taking a razor blade and just cleaning the windows.
Okay.
Get it ready for the tint.
Nice.
Paint splatters on there.
Yeah, sometimes there's
Kids, dirty hands.
stuff in the air that just kind of gets thrown on there and sticks and stays. So that's where we're at right now. Got to get it good and clean before we stick this thing.
Alrighty. Alright, Tony, what did we just do?
Right now we did a snap roll on this film to kind of pop this big old film into place. And now we got it on the window, so we're going to squeegee all the, get it lined up and then squeegee all the air out of it. So, or all the water out of it. Once we squeegee all the water out of it, we'll get ready to rock. Maybe enjoying that 70% heat rejection that this film offers.
Ooh.
You can already see it's a little bit darker than it.
Yeah, it's feeling good in here already.
Yeah, this film's gonna offer a lot of heat rejection.
Why you can not trying to brag, but you can actually tell the difference, dude, already.
Yeah, this stuff's good.
We're gonna start using this instead of the tint.
Yeah, I think so. Better look at the film, offers more heat rejection.
It's already feeling cooler in here.
Yeah, this film's awesome. Looks good. Then we just gotta cut it to fit. Is our DR15, which means a dual reflective. It's going to be reflective on the outside, but at nighttime, normal film, you'll see reflection on the inside. This film doesn't. Blocks out 74% of the heat. So it's got a good heat rejection film. It takes about 45 to 60 days to completely dry out once we put it on. But after that, it's completely good to go. You just can't wash it with Windex or anything, just like your automotive film. Can't use anything with ammonia. So just soap and water only and clean it, and you're good to go.
Cool. Sounds good.
Good. You just get so much heat right here.
Try to look inside their house. It's really difficult. Compare that to these windows over here. 74% heat reduction. You see right through their house. Okay, we'll check it out here in a little bit on these windows as well. Guy's doing a really good job. And there are little friends on the other side. Can't tell right here because he's starting to put the tint up. We can see him over here. Goodbye. Oh, he's hiding. Goodbye. You see their furry little feet. The tint going up, man. 74% heat block's gonna help us out from that western sun. Guys, I'm not in the mirror. I'm in our heat block windows. Incredible solar. incredible service. You see down here, but they're starting to get the tint on these upper windows, so you can't really see anymore. It's him doing his thing.